There's a song in this book that I may need your help singing.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's do it.
I think you'll catch on. Here comes Pete strolling down the street, rocking his red shoes on his 4 furry feet. Pete is going to school, and he sings this song.
Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go.
I'm rocking in my school shoes, I'm rocking in my school shoes, I'm rocking in my school shoes.
That's a pretty good song.
That's how the song goes, okay?
That's a pretty good song.
Remember that, you're going to help me later.
That's a pretty good song.
Pete is sitting at his desk when his teacher says, "Come on, Pete, down the hall to a room with books on every wall." Where is Pete going? They've read this book before. The library! Pete has never been to the library before. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He finds his favorite book and he sings his song. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes.
Hey, that's pretty good. Bravo.
All right. Check out Pete. He's ready to eat in a big, noisy room with tables and seats. Where is Pete? The lunchroom. It can be loud and busy in the lunchroom. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He sits down with his friends and he sings his song. What's he doing?
Eating. I'm eating
in my school shoes.
I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. Yeah.
Perfect. Pete and his friends are playing outside on a green grassy field with swings and tall slides. Where is Pete?
Playground.
The playground. Kids are running in every direction. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He slides and swings and sings his song. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. All day long, Pete sings his song. I'm singing in my school shoes. I'm painting in my school shoes. I'm adding in my school shoes. I'm writing in my school shoes. When school is done, Pete rides the bus home. Pete's mom asks him, "What did you do at school today?" And Pete says, "I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. And I will do it again tomorrow. Because it's all good."
Yeah.